Welcome, I'm Joshua Herbison and this is my channel. I have a wife, 5 kids, and I live in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm not a video professional, so please excuse the quality of the audio and video. I was born and raised in the most southern part of the United States, so you will hear a southern twang in my voice. And if you want to make fun of me in the comments, I'm okay with that. You are here to know what this channel is about. And what I do here on YouTube is I make tutorial videos for web design, WordPress, PHP, JavaScript, CSS and HTML, and all the above, right? So subscribe, like the videos, and comment. Let me know if I'm doing anything wrong, or if you like this video, or if there's a video that you want to see. And I'll see you in the comments.